Hey everybody, this is a satellite picture of the hurricane coming into Florida. It's a Category 5. The winds are 180 miles an hour. It's heading towards Florida. It's around 7 o'clock, 7:15. As you can tell, when it's a little shadow, that means it's getting dark. As you start to see the shadow, that means it's dark now. That's the dark version. You can see that this is the live picture of the Hurricane Dorian coming in, ready to hit some parts of Florida, most likely the eastern point of Florida, Miami, it's just gigantic. So basically the whole tip of Florida is going to get hit. So this looks kind of bad. So this is a live version of the satellite live version. So this is a little more clearer. The way you can see it, it's pretty big. 200 mile an hour winds. It's pretty big. This thing is almost the size of half of Florida. I'll give you a wider version of it. Give you the whole page. There we go. This is gigantic. The cloud cover now nighttime. The cloud cover is gigantic. Just take a look at this. Now let's look at the other view that I have. I'll show you the other view I have. This view over here. There's another view of it. It's pretty big. Uh, 180 mile an hour winds. It's a Category 5. It doesn't look too good. It's probably going to stall and just start spinning. Hopefully it'll just stay in that spot. It's not moving that fast anymore, but it is getting bigger. So let's take a look at the satellite view. Here's the satellite view of it. I'm going to give it a big picture here. There it is. There's Florida. And it's just pretty gigantic, this thing. Look at the size of this. Alright, God bless. Be safe. It's going to hit somewhere the lower part of Florida. That's where I think it's going to hit the lower tip of Florida. Lots of rain everywhere else. God bless. Be safe.